Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the background colors of the subtitles on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option on the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the third option, the subtitles. And go to the subtitles background section, and in the subtitles background is enabled. You can find a second option, the color, and click that, and new you can select the color. For example, click to the blue and new tap to the select button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.